Wildfire season underway, the Texas A&M AgriLife Extension hosted a preparedness meeting.
Fox 14's Blas Guerrero has more on how this meeting helps ranchers prepare and strengthen wildfire mitigation.
The wildfire preparedness meeting brought together about 155 local ranchers, landowners, and community leaders to improve their wildfire readiness.
Well, it's very important that we stay ahead of the game. And, you know, one of the things that we try to do is we try to learn from the past. And so our hope is that we learn things that we did right, things we did wrong, things that when we have another wildfire, we can really be on top of, so we don't lose human life, so we don't lose our cows, so we don't lose our homes.
The event comes almost a year after the devastating Smokehouse Creek fire, which burned 53 homes around Canadian and killed over 7,000 cows. Today's meeting focused on ways to protect infrastructure like homes, barns, cattle pens, and water wells. Experts also shared research-based practices that ranchers can implement to reduce wildfire risk and better prepare for future fires.
So we probably have some areas that we can clean up a little more, and we've already started that, but it's not the first time we've been to these kind of training seminars and sessions. There are some grazing practices that we need to start thinking about. Probably, if nothing else, try to control some of the overgrowth of grass and the brushes that we deal with every day.
With such catastrophic losses, many ranchers are now focusing on proactive steps to safeguard their future.
But it's great that we're trying to be progressive. We're right on the front side of fire season, so landowners, they're trying to be progressive and get out in front of it so that hopefully we don't repeat the same thing that happened last February.
In Canadian, Blas Guerrero, Fox 14 News.
Now, if you missed today's meeting, Texas A&M AgriLife will be hosting a beef cattle conference in April in Canadian.
At this meeting, wildfire preparedness will also be a topic of discussion. Less than a dozen people have